In Scratch, the When Key Press block is an important event block found in the Events category. Its icon is bright yellow and looks like a rounded rectangle with a small drop-down menu for choosing a keyboard key. This block runs whatever script is attached to it immediately when the chosen key on the keyboard is pressed. For example, you can set it to the space key to make your character jump, or the arrow keys to move a sprite in different directions. It's perfect for making games interactive because it connects player input directly to actions in your program. Once the key is pressed, the block triggers the code below and gives instant feedback to the player. By using multiple When Key Press blocks with different keys, you can control movement, trigger sounds, or change costumes, making your Scratch project more dynamic and fun. The When This Sprite Clicked block is an event block in Scratch, found in the Events category. Its icon is bright yellow, with the words "When this sprite clicked" inside a rounded shape. This block starts the script attached to it whenever the player clicks directly on that sprite in the stage area. It's a great way to make your game or animation interactive, because actions only happen when the sprite itself is clicked. For example, you can use it to make a fish in your aquarium game swim faster when clicked, change costume, play a sound, or even start a mini-game. By combining this block with motion, looks, and sound blocks, you can create fun features that respond instantly to the player's actions. Interactivity like this makes your Scratch projects feel more alive and engaging, turning simple visuals into playful experiences. In Scratch, the Broadcast block is an event tool used to send a message across your entire project. When this block is triggered, the message can be received by any script, in any sprite or the stage. Messages can have custom names, like Message 1 or Start Game, and are perfect for coordinating multiple actions at once. The When I Receive block is also part of the Events category. It waits for a specific broadcast message to arrive, and as soon as it does, the script attached to it starts running. This makes it possible to link different parts of your project together, like having one sprite's action start another sprite's movement. Now, let's look at the example in this image. The top script starts with When Space Key Pressed. When you press the space bar, a broadcast block sends the message Message 1. Down below, another script begins with When I Receive Message 1. When that message is received, the sprite moves 10 steps forward. So in this simple setup, pressing the space bar sends a signal to the whole project, and any script listening for Message 1 will run immediately. This system allows you to control and synchronize many actions at the exact moment you want, making your Scratch projects more dynamic and interactive. In this project, we're learning how the if block works in Scratch. The if block is a conditional statement. That means it checks whether something is true or not, and then decides what to do next. Let's look at our example. When the green flag is clicked, the program starts running a forever loop. Inside that loop, we've got an if block that asks a question. Is the cat touching the basketball? If the answer is yes, then the sprite says, ouch, for 2 seconds. If the answer is no, then nothing happens. The program just keeps checking again and again. This is how the if structure gives your game logic and reaction. It lets sprites respond to conditions like touching another object, reaching an edge, or pressing a key. In our demo, the basketball sprite moves around continuously with the move and if on edge bounce blocks. When it bumps into the cat, the if block detects the collision, and the cat reacts by saying, ouch. So, the if block is like a decision maker in your code. It helps your Scratch projects come to life with smart, reactive behavior. And that's it for episode 4. I hope you enjoyed learning about today's Scratch project and picked up some new ideas for your own creations. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Your support really helps this channel grow and keeps more tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.